winner is Southwest Airlines Team Bird.
Hard work pays off. You put in the time and the rewards come to you. We work as a group. We challenge each other. The old saying is iron sharpens iron. That's the secret to our success. Snap-on, thank you so much. All the tools you guys put in, the money that you guys lay out, you guys are always around. Can't thank you enough. Couldn't do this show without you guys.
Oh, you need to ask this one.
Sorry.
Proud of this guy.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
That's my VP and my director. We're gonna go home, celebrate for a little bit, and then we'll start getting our plan together and we'll hit it hard. You know, we're coming back 2-time champs. If you want the crown, you're gonna have to take it because we're not gonna give it to you.